In this video I'll be explaining a currency converter program in JavaScript using an API. So we'll be getting the data from the API. Now first we will declare some variables that holds a references to DOM element with specific IDs. Amount input, currency selected, and to currency selected and convert button and result.
I mean to play, but there's something about you. There's something keep pulling me to you. There's something no good, but I mean to play, but there's something about you. There's something keep pulling me to you. There's something no good, but I want.
So in order to get the values row, we have to use the property dot value. The fetch method returns a promise that resolves to the response. Again, .then method we used to handle the result value, and we also used the arrow function, which defines the callback function for add event listener, and .then method. I hope this content is useful. If you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment.
There's something keep pulling me to you. There's something no good, but I want you. There's something about you, and I can't let go. A beautiful disaster. I know I've got what's coming, but I do it all again just to feel the thrill. There's something about you. There's something keep pulling me to you. There's something